Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this 8-piece microphone or mic stand adapter pieces, or also it can be used for like tripods for your camera. So I have this, I use that to hold my camera with, and if you need it, sometimes different tripods have different sizes in there. And this can be adjusted, so you can put in the correct size in there and then adjust it to a different one that you need. So if you have to like have a larger input on another spot or a larger screw. See, I think this one will go on this one, or maybe this was, yeah. So that can go right on there. And then you could change it to basically any one of these if you need a larger one. So 5/8, 3/8 to a quarter. So all these can be just adjusted into here. So I could just take this one off here. Got too many in my hands right now. So male to female there, just plug that or screw that one in there and have whatever different sizes we want on here. So it could, if you have a tripod or a mic stand, or a lot of these are standard dimensions or sizes that you use, and these are all interchangeable, so you could make it fit on basically whichever part that you have to go on there. So that's pretty handy. Like this one here is for my my kind of a ring light I have. This screws in here, but if I needed to adapt from this one to hold something else, then I could just simply screw this in there, and then I could change sizes with this if I needed to or whatever. So pretty handy to have. These are all like metal pieces, super sturdy. They've got this nice like diamond, let's see if we can get a diamond, come on, focus for me. Anyways, you guys can see that nice diamond grip there, so they're super easy to unscrew and screw in. This also has like a place for a screwdriver there, but you can really grip these nicely. They're not slippery or anything like that. So yeah, definitely handy if you are into vlogging or doing any kind of videos extensively, and you have different microphones and different setups for whatever. So yeah, thanks for watching this review, guys. You guys have a wonderful day out there, and I'll see you next time.